Hi, I'm Bill Moore, and I'm on a mission to add alpha to your trading through the power of relative value analysis. If you're looking for more candlestick patterns, this is not the place for you. But if you're ready to start trading like a pro, stick around. So today, we ran two of the sector components baskets, only the utilities and the industrial sectors. And I ran it with the filter set to a correlation of 0.8 and RW coefficient of 0.8. And we got there's a lot of things in those two baskets. And then we set the number of winners for 3, expectation value for 5% up and down, and I went ahead and set a drift value. And when I did that, I ended up with exactly 2 things. So 1 in the utilities and 1 in the airlines, or industrials, but it's in the airlines. They're both the Delta versus Southwest Airlines. In fact, we might come back and address the airline one tomorrow. It still seems to be moving away from the mean at the moment, so it's not quite ready to trade, although it's a good picture. So we'll take a look at that later. Today, though, I wanted to look at this one on the utilities side. It's got a nice expectation value. The thing is that utilities historically are very, very strong mean reversion. Okay, they're very stable. They're very stable, and so hence mean reverting. Now, obviously, here there was an incident of some kind about a year ago, 10 months ago, that jumped this out for just a few days. It was out of line. But then it jumped back and has been moving very nicely since, and I think I like this picture. It's got a perfect track record, right? It's been outside the second standard deviation 5 times, and each time it's returned to the mean profitably. The fifth one is the one that's currently open, which of course we would like to make a little money with. So I've already added it to the observe page. Let's go take a look at it over there. With the exception of whatever it was that happened here, everything else looks great, and even when this happened, it just took a few days to get back in line. So this is a really nice picture. Flat lines, up and down, great. It's out here right now outside the second standard deviation. It looked like it's had a little move up yesterday, but nothing huge. So I would recommend this one. We're going to keep an eye on it. Let's go take a look at it in the hitting probabilities. Yeah, good strong mean reversion. And as we expect with the utilities, since they have that great sine wave kind of motion, it's saying we're going to be below 30 days from now, we're going to be below our current price 98% of the time. Of course, that's probably a little strong, but the fact is that this is a really good picture and a very low risk kind of trade. Utilities are almost always very low risk. So it's got about a 5% expectation value, and it's saying we're going to get to the mean in 16 days or less, half the time, but the mode is only 9 bars. So everything about this picture looks very good. All these numbers look great. We're going to make this the recommendation. Let's go back and look at the detail analysis one more time. The picture is good, except for whatever happened here, but that righted itself within a few days. We're talking about SRE, ED. Correlation is 0.84, RW coefficient 0.71. We're going to trade it with a ratio of 1.41. It's got a perfect track record. It's been outside the second standard deviation 5 times. Returned to the mean 4 profitably, with the 5th one is the one being still open. So this is going to be the recommendation of the day. SRE minus 1.41 of ED. It is a short. So for every share of SRE that you sell, you're going to buy 1.41 shares of ED. Good luck with your trading.